Ghana, are you ready for the Cyber Magnet Cybersecurity Bootcamps? The all-hands-on cybersecurity and digital forensics bootcamps are open. Registration is ongoing. Are you a hands-on enthusiast and looking for 100% hands-on experience? We are calling on all cyber professionals, new graduates, university students, high school graduates, and all those who have been exposed to theoretical concepts on cyber and digital forensics. Cyber champions are rising through Cyber Magnet Bootcamps. Come and practice what you hear and talk about. Be a cyber champion. Visit our website and social media handles or call to register now. www.cyberghana.org 233-205-626-173 233-205-621-206.
So Kwawa Fred is my name, and I was a tutor in Bootcamp Senior High School.
I'm Wachi Adam Gideon, I'm a tutor for Sunyani Senior High School.
I'm Precious Etiebwa, and I'm a tutor of St. Louis Senior High School.
I'm Prince Kinsbedu and a tutor of Agri Memorial AME Zion Senior High School.
Nice meeting you, my tutors. I'll have to be coming to you for tutorials myself. So why did you decide to become a tutor for your institution?
Oh, okay. So last year, since we were fumbling with the whole training, and so this year I took it as a task for me to help those who will be following us for the next competition.
Ghana has imparted a lot of knowledge in me, and I felt like I also need to impart it on my juniors so that they can also not worry much about the cybersecurity and they will offer it.
Wow.
Okay, I also love to teach, so I thought of if I've acquired the skills, why don't I help my juniors? So I also took that duty to also help them. And since we were the champion for the maiden competition, we decided to take at least 5 trophies before it goes out.
Hey! 5 trophies before it goes out!
Cybersecurity is one hell big course, and learning this on your own is a bit kind of troublesome. So if you receive any guidance from maybe the people from the top, it's gonna be fun. And since Cyber Ghana taught me, I would like to continue the tradition, so I decided to teach my juniors.
These are very nice people in the society, you know. Thank you so much for picking up this challenge.
My name is Michael Kinkofi, and I'm an instructor for Bootcamp Senior High School.
And my name is Jeff Tadankwa, and I'm an instructor for Kwando Senior High School.
My name is Amenreva Huidi, an instructor for Kwando Senior High School.
My name is Ewenam Kachekpo Jr. I was an instructor for Cyber Club in Kwando Senior High School.
Wow, Kwando Senior High School has 3 instructors here with me. Why did you all decide to become instructors?
Okay, I'm also the president of the Cyber Club, so it's like my responsibility to teach.
I see.
Yes.
I see. So why did you also decide to be an instructor?
Okay, so we began the cyber thing in our school, and we set the pace for our juniors to follow. Couldn't possibly leave them. Yes, they had their part of the training, but we felt the hell we went through researching and learning more and more to get what we have today. You can just share it with them, so it becomes more quick and easier for them to get it and then do better than we did. So that's why we mainly decided to facilitate them.
You all have some good hearts.
And also I'm the financial secretary for Kwando Senior High School in cybersecurity. And then as a leader, you have to have a vision for your group. So I took it upon myself to learn and then help them understand the basics of cybersecurity.
Wow, that's nice.
Okay, I'm the team leader for the Cyber Club in my school, and I got that aim to let my juniors also know the digital world and then be secured in this environment.
Wow, They want you to know that the digital world can be secured in this world. So what are some of the challenges that you faced as instructors?
The challenge I was facing was that they hardly understand the technical words. So I have to break it down to their understanding so that they get what I'm teaching.
Yeah, that's very good.
The program is really new to them and it's very heavy for their understanding or to their understanding. So it really consumes time. So me being a leader, I have to take my time and let everything be free to them, everything be cool to them so that they can learn and then know what the digital world means, and then the securement of their environment also goes.
Such a good leader.
So the challenge I faced was the time factor. Like we didn't have enough time to spend with them. The timetable wasn't friendly to club activities, and then they also had to choose between attending extra classes and coming for cyber club meetings. Yes.
That must be tough.
Okay, so another is for the operations we carry out, it's kind of needs good specifications with the machines that we work with. But most of the PCs that they brought to do the technical problem, to solve the technical problems, were actually not up to specifications. Okay, so it actually worried a bit. So most of them had to pair and then share, and it was still fun. It was kind of group work, but then more still they should, if they had better computers, they could have individually competed among themselves, and that would have yielded more perfect results.
So, for every successful story, there is a particular brain behind it, and I'm privileged to have the brain behind the Magnet Bootcamp right here with me. I'll let him introduce himself to you.
My name is David Davon. I'm the Director of Technology for Cyber Ghana.
Wow. It looks like the kids are really happy. They enjoyed the program. A lot went into this. So first, I would like to know why this initiative. Why did you decide to organize this?
Okay, so Cyber Ghana primarily has been into workforce development, specifically in cybersecurity, because of the cybersecurity skill gap that has been reported globally. We are using this opportunity, or Cyber Ghana is taking the opportunity to try and equip these young ones with the cybersecurity needed skills so that in the future some of them could get the opportunity to fill up these roles or vacancies that are available within the cybersecurity space. So that has been our primary objective.
That's very nice of you, Cyber Ghana. So is this the first edition?
Yes, for the Magnet program, this is the first edition, but we've had other programs that led to the Magnet program. For instance, the Cyber Championship competition that we have been having with the secondary schools. So that is where it started from, and then that led to the bootcamp.
Wow. Should we look forward to other bootcamps or other big stuff coming up from Cyber Ghana?
Of course, yes. We are always looking for ways and opportunities to get to introduce the concepts of cybersecurity to the young ones. So any opportunity we get, we would take advantage of it and get our young ones into the cybersecurity space.
Wow. Be ready for Cyber Ghana. We'll be entering your home soon. So when is the next edition for the Magnet Bootcamp?
Okay, so we will start registration for the next Magnet Bootcamp from next year, January. So anyone who is interested should start looking out for the opportunity to register from January up to April. And then the bootcamp itself will continue from there.
Okay, how much is it?
We haven't finalized or decided on that yet because mostly we depend on Cyber Ghana itself and other people who may want to support. If we get sponsorship, we may even offer it for completely free. But if that is not the case, then again, Cyber Ghana will put together
its resources and probably ask the parents to also support with just something little as transportation, and also to support the food that the kids will be eating when they come.
Talking about sponsorship, right? If somebody wants to sponsor or reach CyberSafe to maybe donate something, how do they get to you?
They just have to get in touch with us, either by our email or through our contacts. When they visit our website, which is www.cyberghana.org, they will get our contact information and then they can reach us from there.
Okay, is that the same place where parents can register their awards?
Yes, please. So the registration link will be made available on the website. Once you go to the website from January, as I'm saying, you will find the registration link for the next edition of the Bootcamp, which is the Bootcamp Magnet Program 2024. You'll find the registration link there from January, and it will be active up till April 2024. So they will just have to use the registration link to register the awards.
Okay, so that means only parents can register the awards, right?
The award or the children themselves can also register, but of course it has to be with the consent of their parents. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. So, do you need volunteers? Maybe people would like to volunteer to help with the program or something. Do you need that as well?
Of course, people are always an important part of every organization. So, if anybody is interested in supporting and in whichever way they are able, we would welcome them, and together I think we can build a better future for our kids.
Wow. If you are willing to support Cyber Ghana in taking this initiative, this is taking cyber security to your homes, please do reach out to us, and we'll see you at our next event, and multiple events to come. Thank you.
Ghana, are you ready for the Cyber Magnet Cybersecurity Bootcamps? The all-hands-on cybersecurity and digital forensics bootcamps are open. Registration is ongoing. Are you a hands-on enthusiast and looking for 100% hands-on experience? We are calling on all cyber professionals, new graduates, university students, high school graduates, and all those who have been exposed to theoretical concepts on cyber and digital forensics. Cyber champions are rising through Cyber Magnet Bootcamps. Come and practice what you hear and talk about. Be a cyber champion. Visit our website and social media handles or call to register now. www.cyberghana.org 233-205-626-173 233-205-621-206.